What's that, Mom?
It's a drill on somebody's teeth. Can you hear it? No, they're probably cleaning teeth.
It's a cleaning teeth.
Was you jealous of Mommy that you had to get in the chair?
Right here. Right here.
What are you doing, Lily?
My God.
You're good?
I feel good.
Yeah? Where are you at?
How are you?
Are you at the dentist?
What?
Are you at the dentist?
What?
Are you at the dentist?
I have milk.
You want milk?
I find my... We have money.
Yep, we have some money. We'll get some milk.
What's that, Mom?
I'm not sure.
Can you give me these?
Yeah, they're cleaning teeth. It's why it's very important that you brush your teeth every single day, 3 times. Because now Mommy has to get teeth pulled out.